How to clear search history on Instagram in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. There is two ways to clear search history. First is you have to go to your search bar, and then you have to click on your search bar, and then you can simply click on the cut button, and then your search history is automatic and is cleared. So that's basically it. So if you want to do it, and the other way is you can simply go to the settings, and you can do it at once. So what you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then click on the settings, and after that you have to click on the security settings, and then in the bottom of the security settings you can see the search history. When you click on the search history, here you can see that there is option of clear all. So when you click on the clear all, then it is saying that clear all, so you have to click on the clear all, and your search history is cleared all. So that's basically it, that how you can clear search history. Firstly, you can do this by going to your search bar and then clicking on the cut button, and second is you have to go to the settings and on the security button, and then you can do this. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.